The Fuzzy Navel is a popular, easy-to-make cocktail that combines the sweetness of peach schnapps with the tangy refreshment of orange juice. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces peach schnapps. Use a good quality brand for the best flavor. 4 ounces orange juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice is preferred, but bottled juice works too. Ice cubes as needed. 1 slice orange for garnishing. For equipment you will need highball glass, mixing spoon, jigger. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Measure and pour 2 ounces of peach schnapps over the ice. Add 4 ounces of orange juice to the glass. Use a mixing spoon to gently stir the mixture until well combined. Garnish with a slice of orange on the rim of the glass. Serve immediately and enjoy. The Fuzzy Navel gets its name from the fuzzy texture associated with peaches and the navel type of orange juice used in the drink.